This is Sawmill World, established in 1988. Today, we are going to see the portable horizontal band sawmill, MJ1000P. The MJ1000PH horizontal band sawmill, equipped with tires and up and down supporting legs for move around easily. The powerful hydraulic loading arm can move the logs onto the carriage easily. Powerful electric start double-cylinder diesel engine or gasoline engine adds the power. Hydraulic system, manual wheel forward and backward for cutting the wood in constant speed. The carbide blades on bimetal blades from USA ensures the high cutting quality. Every saw wheel passes the dynamic balance, running smoothly. High-quality steel and Sweden SKF bearing extend the working life of the machine. The MJ1000PH is easy to installation and operation. It is suitable for cutting wood in the forest. Every Sawmill World machine passes the strict quality control system. Professional R&D team designed the sawmill to meet your special requirements. Phone or email us to get a latest brochure and quotation.